I left my footprints in the meadow and traveled far from home with a guitar in hand. The sun sets low, painting skies in gold, out on this prairie where my stories unfold.
Mama sent me off with a prayer and a kiss, said chase those dreams, don't you ever miss. Rolling fields whisper secrets to the night, stars up above in my flight.
Prairie dreams where the wild winds blow, dusty trails to places unknown. With a heart that's free and a spirit bold, I'm chasing prairie dreams.
Out on the range where the tall grass sways, the sun sinks low, paints the end of my day. The saddle's worn, my boots are dust stained, but my heart rides home to you again. Your laugh's like a creek in the summer's heat, your touch is soft as the earth beneath my feet. Miles of prairie can't keep me away from the girl on the ranch who steals my days. Oh, prairie hearts beat wild and true, beneath the stars I dream of you. Though the cowboy's life is rough and wide, your love's my home, my steady guide. The cattle call and the coyotes cry under a blanket of a moonlit sky. I long for the warmth of your sweet embrace, the fire in your eyes, the smile on your face. The harmonica hums a lonely tune under the spell of the prairie moon, but the fiddle sings when I think of you, and the guitar strums my love so true. Oh, prairie hearts beat wild and true, beneath the stars I dream of you. Though the cowboy's life is rough and wide, your love's my home, my steady guide.